Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to e to the power of u. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1, so we have 1 ds. This one that is about e to the power of u du. So we can simplify like this. So this one, I will put this one cone here. This one that is about this one. And now we have the formula in here. So that means this one we got about u. So the integration of e to the power of u over u, that is about exponential integral of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So we put about natural log for the both sides. And this one you got about u. And u will change back to f and s. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.